Yeah, hi, we are from svsembedded. The project title name is IoT powered ESP32 air quality monitoring system using Agentic IoT with n8n automation, Telegram voice alert. So AI Telegram agent means AI agent will send the voice alert and Google Sheet data appending, ThinkSpeak cloud monitoring, Loud Sheet, live graphs monitoring, Gmail alert when temperature crossed 40 above, email alert, humidity 70 above, email alert. So like that, gas alert and MQ6 carbon monoxide alert. 5 volts power supply connected to the Arduino board. Arduino will collect the ADC and it will push the data to ESP32. So ESP32 will always connected to the webhook of n8n. Okay, ESP32 AI thinker board. So red LED, green LED indicators and one alarm, 16x2 LCD display, DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, MQ6 gas sensor, MQ9 carbon monoxide sensor. And this is our total block diagram of the project. So ESP32 requires the hotspot internet. We are providing the Wi-Fi hotspot internet. Username is project, password is project1234. So this mobile is providing the hotspot to this one. This will send the data to our webhook. Okay. So here first, so this is our webhook. Okay. So this is webhook. It will send the data to, so edit fields. Edit field means first it will collect the data from the input of webhook, temperature data, humidity data, MQ6 data, MQ9 data. So now it will bifurcate of Telegram, ThinkSpeak and Google Sheet appending. If condition, if temperature crossed 40 above, then it will push the Gmail alert, and we are created one AI agent. So in the AI agent, so we wrote a prompt. If the temperature crossed 40 above, alert voice message should be sent to the predefined Telegram app. Okay, so now it will send the Telegram. If condition of temperature, humidity, MQ6 and MQ9, each and every parameter it will send the data to. So now first it will collect the data and it will push the data to Telegram. Then we will go for the Telegram, like air quality monitoring, temperature data, humidity data, MQ6 and MQ9. Now we will go for the live graphs of ThinkSpeak. So this is a ThinkSpeak field 1, field 2, field 3, field 4 of temperature and humidity. So we are monitoring on the garage of below 40 and above 40, and here is the 60 below or above. So this is MQ6 and MQ9. Now we are going for the live Google map appending, temperature, humidity, MQ6, MQ9 and date and time. So yesterday and today. Today time is 2:23 of temperature data, humidity data, MQ6 data, MQ9 data. If anything should be happen, live it will come that over temperature, over humidity or MQ6 gas alert. We are getting the email alert also. So now this we are going for the, so now we are going to publish it. Okay, now it is in the production mode. Okay, so anytime you can send the data to this n8n flow AI flow. Okay, workflow. So now it will send the data to appending the data. Okay, so now let's start with the power supply. So IoT and AI based air quality monitoring system. T for temperature, H for humidity, green LED on, MQ6, MQ9. If nothing should be happen, there is no threshold. So every 5 times, it will collect the data of 5 times. So then it will send the data to server. Okay. So T for temperature, H for humidity, MQ6. Okay. Now sending data to n8n server. Okay. It send the data. Okay. Now we are going for one each and every one. Okay, sensor. Now I am increasing the temperature. Okay, temperature 40 above. Okay, now temperature is 39. So when it is crossed 40, then it will send the data to server. Yeah, 41. So we will get the, yeah, so red LED on as well as alarm also on. So here the temperature will okay. So now it is updating the data. Okay, temperature 41. Yeah, temperature 41 above. Now it is updated. Okay, yeah, voice alert came.
Alert, over temperature. Current rating 41 degrees. Take immediate action.
Okay.
Alert, over.
Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going for the MQ6 gas alert. Yeah, humidity crossed to 72. I given humidity. So we will get the humidity alert here. Okay. Now it will append the data of humidity also. Yeah, humidity 72 came. Now we got the humidity.
Alert, over temperature. Temperature is 42 degrees. Take immediate action. Alert, over temperature. 43 degrees.
Yeah.
Alert, humidity 72%. High humidity detected. Take precautions now.
Okay.
Alert.
Humidity alert came. Gas alert. Okay. MQ9. MQ9 CO alert. $227. Okay. 227 came. Okay. So it will update. So we are getting the email alert also. Email alerts also. Okay. Yeah, things speak. Yeah, it is MQ9. MQ9 will update. Yeah, 227 it came. Okay. Yeah, 227 email alert also came. MQ9 227. Okay. Yeah, we got the
Emergency MQ9 co-sensor reading 227 detected. Evacuate area immediately. Emergency MQ9 co-sensor reading 227 detected. Evacuate area immediately.
okay. So here 227 came. So I will go for the gas alert. LPG gas alert 226. Red LED on, alarm on. Temperature humidity DH11 humidity alert, temperature humidity alert, MQ6 LPG gas alert, MQ9 carbon monoxide alert. So now it will generate the voice alert. A agent will generate the voice alert. Okay. Yeah, here. Yeah, 226 came. Yeah, voice alert also came.
Emergency MQ6 LPG gas level 226 detected. Evacuate area immediately.
Okay. Yeah, 226 came LPG, MQ6 LPG. So this is our n8n automation. So every time, every 5 counts, it will send the data, actual sensor data, live sheet graphs monitoring of ThinkSpeak Cloud, appending the data onto the Google Sheet, MQ temperature, humidity, MQ6, MQ9, date and time. Okay. And here back, yeah, gas alert, MQ9 alert, humidity alert, temperature alert. T for temperature, H for humidity, MQ6, MQ9. So you can order the project also. We'll create and we'll send. We'll ship the project. Thank you.